Anthropic just shipped a feature most Claude Code users haven't even found. It's called /powerup. It's a built-in interactive tutorial that runs entirely inside your terminal. No docs, no YouTube, no blog posts. Just animated lessons that teach you the features you're already paying for, but probably aren't using. There are 10 of them. And one developer who's been using Claude Code daily since February said, quote, 7 of the 10 lessons surprised me. In this video, I'm going to walk through every single one. Let's go. So what exactly is /powerup? It shipped on April 1st, 2026 in version 2.1.90. It's an interactive lesson system rendered in the same React plus Ink framework that powers the rest of Claude Code, meaning it's terminal native, not a browser. You launch it with one command, /powerup, and you get a lesson picker. Arrow keys to navigate, enter to start. Each lesson is 3 to 10 minutes long. Short text explanation, then an animated demo showing progressive text, sequential keystrokes, and live command output. It's the first official first-party in-terminal learning system from Anthropic, replacing the scattered third-party guides everyone was using before. Lesson 1. Talk to your codebase. This one teaches you how to use the @ symbol to reference specific files and even line numbers. Instead of pasting code into the chat, you type @ symbol source /utils.ts:45 and Claude reads exactly that file at exactly that line. You can reference multiple files in one prompt. You can scope to functions. This is the difference between dumping context and surgically anchoring Claude to the exact part of your code base you care about. Lesson 2. Steer with modes. This one is huge. Claude Code has multiple modes: plan mode, auto mode, normal mode, and you can toggle between them mid-session by hitting Shift+Tab. Plan mode makes Claude think before acting. Auto mode lets it run with full autonomy. You can switch on the fly depending on the task. This is how you control how aggressive or careful Claude is without restarting your session. Lesson 3. Undo anything. Claude went off the rails. You don't have to start over. There's a /rewind command that takes you back to a previous turn. And escape, pressing escape twice gives you instant rollback. This is the safety net most users don't know exists. You can experiment freely, knowing you can undo any bad direction Claude takes. This alone saves hours of frustration. Lesson 4. Run in the background. Claude Code has a tasks system. You fire off long-running jobs, refactor a whole module, generate a test suite, scrape an API, and they run in the background while you keep working in the same session. Type /tasks to see what's running. This is how power users get 10 times more done. Stop waiting for Claude to finish before starting your next thing. Lesson 5. Teach Claude your rules. Drop a claude.md file in your project root, and Claude reads it on every session. Coding standards, architecture decisions, project context, personal preferences. You can also use /memory to add things on the fly. Once you write your rules down, Claude follows them every single time. No more repeating yourself. Lesson 6. Extend with tools. Claude Code supports MCP, the Model Context Protocol. You can plug in external capabilities, databases, file systems, browser automation, third-party APIs, and Claude uses them like native tools. Type /MCP to manage your servers. This is how you turn Claude from a chatbot into a Swiss Army knife for your specific workflow. Lesson 7. Automate your workflow. This one is for serious power users. Claude Code has skills and hooks. Skills are reusable instructions you can invoke. Hooks fire automatically before or after specific tools. Pre-tool use and post-tool use. Want to auto-format code after every edit? Hook. Want to require confirmation before running shell commands? Hook. This is how you bulletproof your workflow. Lesson 8. Multiply yourself. Subagents. You can spawn parallel specialized agents using /agents. One agent handles the front end while another tackles the back end. One does research while another writes code. They work in parallel, then return their results. This is how single developers ship entire features in hours instead of days. Most users have never used this, and they're leaving massive productivity on the table. Two more. Let's blast through them. Lesson 9. Code from anywhere. There's /remote control and /teleport. You can drive Claude Code from your phone, from another machine, from anywhere. Start a session on your laptop. Continue it from your phone on the train. Lesson 10. How? Dial the model. /model lets you switch between Claude Sonnet and Opus mid session. /effort lets you control how much thinking budget the model uses. Match the model to the task. Small task gets fast cheap model. Big task gets the deep thinker. So that's all 10 lessons in /powerup. Talk to your code base, steer with modes, undo anything, run in background, teach your rules, extend with tools, automate, multiply, code anywhere, and dial the model. Most users haven't even tried this. Open Claude Code right now. Type /powerup. Run lesson 1. The features you're missing are about to blow your mind. Drop a comment with which lesson surprised you most and follow for more Claude Code deep dives.